Hey, it's Michelle Bell, and I want to give you a quick tour of our whiteboard and how you can use it for your business. I'm going to try to keep this really short, but there is a lot of information here, so I just kind of want to point you in the right direction and how to use it. So first off, you'll see that right at the top there's a new presenter tab. So if you're a new presenter, that's where you want to start. And we'll have it filled with things to do your first hour, your first day, and you can just kind of check off the list and go in order, and it'll help you get off to a really great start. There's also information about your first rewards, the Fast Start, Pink and 90. These are both free product and cash that you can get in your business. And then there's also 31 days of lash posts. So these are things you can share right to your wall. And how you get paid. So this is going to walk you through how you access your money with Unique, whether you're doing this, just for the fun and the discount, you might as well get your rebate back, or you want to earn money. So it talks about, some of the lingo with Unique, how to set up your rewards link, and basically how to get started with that. Okay, the next thing at the top you'll see, and this will change each month, it'll be the monthly special. So this month we have a special with, I'm doing this in February. So this month we have a special with our new beloved palette. So you'll see there's a bunch of images that you can share, some with different pricing, US pricing, UK pricing. You can share these in Messenger or right to Facebook. And then there'll be pictures of people using the products. Okay, so before and afters, different looks, things like that. So each month this will change depending on whatever the special is for the month. Then we also have our image and video library. These are tons of images for you guys. Like so many images that you hopefully won't ever have to go to Google and try to find an image. Products. So it's organized into category. So face, let's say you want to send somebody some information about the BB cream. Boom, there's information about the BB cream. Let's say you want to tell someone what all the shades are for the blush. Boom, there's the shades for the blush. What if someone's asking, well, which primer is best for me? You can send her, all 3 pictures of the different primers and let her choose. Stick foundation before and afters. Let's say you're trying to color match somebody and you're, wondering what shade she might be. You can send her some that compare. And any of these, categories that don't have as many photos, we're adding to them. So no worries. If you do see something that you have a request for that you can't find, just send me a message, Michelle Bell, or an email, michelle_bell@live.com, and I'm happy to get things added. Same thing with skincare. Our skincare is a great way to work the business, and we have a ton of before and afters. You can share these on stories. You can share these on your Facebook group or wall. So let me just show you really quick how to share these to stories, because that's a question I get a lot. So if you click on the picture and you click on this little arrow with the square, at least on an iPhone, I don't have an Android, but I think this is option 2. You can click on Facebook and it'll ask if you want to share to your newsfeed. So that's your public newsfeed or your stories. So I want to share this to stories. I want to keep it public, share to story. Boom. So that's how easy it is to share to your stories. You could literally just every day take 2 seconds and share something to your stories. Okay. The other really nice thing is there's discontinued products. So if we ever bring any of these products back, you'll have access to those as well. And then there's pictures that explain things. So for example, this has all of our lash products on it. So if someone's trying to decide, what are the best lash products, or they're interested in mascara, you could say, by the way, we also have, these are all the lash products that we offer, and help to upsell. If someone's trying to figure out, 4D versus twisted, there's some pictures there to show you the difference between 4D or to explain the difference between the two of them. So there's a lot of pictures that help you with explaining things. These have all the different mascaras. Okay, which mascara do you want? So you'll see a lot of tools here. Subtle. Like I said, we're still working on this. We're still building it in. More products will be added, but at least it's enough to get everybody started. Didn't want to wait until it was totally 100% complete before offering this to everyone to use. There's also a business opportunity. Okay, again, a lot of these are formatted already for stories. So this has different stories from each person. So Catherine is an awesome leader, and I can just go like this and go to Facebook, share to my stories, and every day I can share basically a different business Like, look how, like, that, oh my gosh, it's so easy. I can share a different business opportunity post on my wall every single day without having to create it myself. Obviously, anything you create yourself is going to have a little bit more weight to it, so definitely do that as well. But I think it's good to sprinkle other things in. So lots of stuff in here. Animal testing, images that you can use, about unique if you're doing, an online party and you want to talk about how we're, EU approved, the portions help childhood victims of sexual abuse, money back guarantee, all those kind of things. That's what these have, and they have the mission on them as well. So those are really good to share. The unique logo, I get that question a lot. More about the unique foundation. Again, share these to your stories. Let people know about all the awesome things that we do. Love it guarantee, how that works. Okay, so that's the image library. Lots of stuff there. Corporate events, this is under construction. We'll be adding it. But this will have convention links, Empower rallies, anything that we know of that's coming up. Just because it's so hard to find information all in one place, right? You hear something on Facebook, you heard an email, what is going on? So we'll have a calendar for you guys. How to color match. This is something I get questions about quite a bit. And as a new presenter, or even someone that's been in for a while, this might feel a little bit intimidating. So this is going to walk you through exactly at least what I do to color match and some images that you can use. So literally step 1, ask your customer for a selfie. Step 2, ask her about undertones. Step 3, make sure you're choosing the right foundation for her. Step 4, find the shade that's closest to her. And then we have all the shades listed per undertone, which I think is really important. We do have the shades listed. So if you go to foundation breakdown, you can see all of the shades. So I will often send this to my customers and just be like, hey, here's all the shades. But I recommend color matching by undertone. So I'm not going to go into a whole training on color matching, but this will just have the pink undertones. And this will just have the yellow undertone. So if you determine someone's yellow undertone, you really only have these to choose from. You're not going to choose any from the pink. So it's almost better to be able to just look at these to decide. And then neutral undertones can kind of go, either way. So again, there's also a foundation product and color matching guide that will walk you through everything. So you can highlight this and paste it into your Safari, and it'll open up a guide. You can print it off if you'd like. So how to color match, product education. There's a couple helpful things in here. So these are the unique flashcards. It's an image I put together that basically has little cards for each product that you can have in front of you when you're talking about them. So if you're doing videos or Facebook Lives or even a post, it talks about the specific benefits of the product. And I'll add a picture of that in here so people actually know what that is. But the rest of these have quick links to ingredient lists, okay? Ingredient list. Thank you. That one's a thank you card. This one has the ingredients. If anyone's like, what are the ingredients for the 4D mascara? I have allergies. You can send that to them. Addiction palettes. Maybe those eyes aren't filled up yet, but that's okay. Let's do lips. We're still building this in. Sorry. Let me find some that are already there. Here we go. BB cream. There we go. I'm like, I know I have them all. We're moving things around. So these will be filled in. So BB cream, it'll basically have a picture of the product. It will have what it does and a link to the, where the page is, and then the fact sheet. So pretty soon, if you're not able to do this at the time that I'm doing this video, you will be able to soon click on this link and have it take you directly there. In the meantime, until that's an option, what I would do is copy it, and you can just go to Safari, okay, and you can paste and go, and it will bring it right up. So I'll also be adding actual pictures of these right to there in case you ever need to you can just send someone a picture of it and not actually go to this, as well as just a screenshot of the ingredient list will be on there as well. So we're trying to make it as easy as possible to send people ingredients or to look at the fact sheet yourself. So all of these will have the fact sheet on there. Okay, see how easy this is? I just haven't moved them up. So same thing, product lines, beachfront. Okay, so that's the product education. Returns and exchanges, how to do return. Hopefully this is pretty simple to walk through. It's going to talk to you about how to do a return, and then also has some images that you can share with your customer about our Love It guarantee. And I would do that after they purchase, hey, just so you know. A little quick tutorial on how to use this. Okay, the direct link if you want to invite other people to this board. Now, then there's a tab for working the business. So all of the stuff that's in here is great for people that are just getting the discount or ordering for yourself, or maybe just sharing with a few friends and family. But if you want to work the business and earn money, then you'll find all the resources here for that. So let me just take you through a little bit. Again, trying to make this fast. Affiliates. So affiliates is basically the idea of somebody posting on Facebook for you, okay? And that can either be them posting and then you order for them, or posting their, sharing their link for a rewards link and people ordering through that. There's multiple ways to do this, but this will walk you through it. When I say walk you through it, I mean literally it's going to tell you, do this to invite people. This is what you post the first day. This is what you post the second day. This is what you post the third day, fourth day. This is what you do at the end. So literally, and this is how you answer questions when people have questions about product. These are some more things you help with messaging them. Like we literally give you exactly what to say. Micro affiliates, same pretty much concept, except just shorter. And again, we walk you through it. First, do this. Second, do this. Third, do this. Fourth, do this. So we're giving you step by steps, making it very, very simple for you to be able to do it. If you want to have more information, there's actually a Zoom call that you can watch and listen to and get all the ins and outs of how it works. Okay, that's affiliates. Customer follow-up. So when somebody purchases, again, we're trying to make this so easy for you. If someone purchases a primer, you send this. Hey, thanks so much for your primer purchase. Here's some application tips. It goes to a page that has application tips that's not connected to any presenter. Lash primer tutorial in case you want to send a video. Super easy, you guys. And there's similar things for all the other products. And then after they get their products, what can you send them? Hey, just want to see how you're loving your products. Wait till they come back. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Awesome. I'm so glad you love it. Just curious, would you like to know how to get our products for free at a discount? You're introducing the business right from the start. This is a big step a lot of people miss, so we want to help you with the verbiage for that. And let me kind of show you how this looks. So I'm just going to send a message to myself. So you don't have to copy and paste from the actual app. I'm just sending a message to myself so I can show you guys. See, there's a love guarantee. So if I had somebody, so I'm going to go to Work the Biz. And I'm going to go to customer follow-up. So let's say I had someone that purchased the lash primer from me. All I have to do is go here and, hey, thanks so much. Boom. And you can tweak this verbiage. So if you want to say like, hey, Susie, thanks so much for your purchase. You can personalize it, of course, but it's going to give you the basics and you don't have to remember this link. Now, what is this link? We don't have this yet for every product, but it's my goal that we will. Thank you for your lash primer purchase. Here's the benefits of what your lash primer is going to do for you, application tips, and not just one video, but a couple videos that they can do. Earn money with Unique and the product guarantee. So if they click on Earn Money with Unique, again, this goes to a generic page. Oh, I got to get rid of that. A generic page that they can watch a video. And I will fix anything that's messed up on here. But there's a quick video that goes through how to earn money with Unique. Hi, I am so... Okay, and if they want to know more, they can click here and learn more about products. And we have some fabulous leaders on here that can share more. And again, it's not tied to any specific account. I want to know more about the business. Here are some videos about the business. So you don't have to remember the link for these. It's going to be all tied in there. Isn't that awesome? Okay. So customer follow-up. So we'll have those for everything. A lot of them are already in here. But again, in videos, these are not connected to any Unique presenters. So they're not on YouTube. They're not going to connect to anyone's website, just so you know. Okay, that's customer follow-up. 90 days of posts. So we have posts and verbiage ideas for you guys for 3 months. And we'll probably be adding more. So lots of different ideas, especially if you're getting started, you can post these, okay? But even just, if you're a veteran, something to go back to. Our customer group. So this is for our customer group. If you're getting started, you don't have to do your own group, especially if you're just working this kind of part-time. You can invite them to our group and we'll be sharing products and deals and always referring them back to you, okay? So this is the group. They join, boom, they're in. How to promote. Let's say you're ready to get to pink. This is going to walk you through how to get to pink and the rewards that are attached to pink status, how to get to yellow, rewards attached to yellow status, blue, etc., orange. Birthday messages, things that you can send to people on their birthdays to help not only just bump your algorithm up in Facebook, but also to get orders. So this says, as a special gift, I'd like to offer you a $5 discount on any purchase you make during your birthday month. You can use YCash for that. I'd like to offer you $10 discount. There's a few different ones. What to send at the end of the month. Okay. Work your business in 10 minutes a day. So if you have really short things to do, these are things that you can do in 10 minutes. Okay. Reach out on Monday. Boom. Tuesday, prospects. Okay. Send this message Wednesday. So if you're really busy, that's really quick. How to run online classes, skincare, beauty confidence. So these are basically templates and again, it walks you through. Step 1, decide with your hostess the day and time of your event. Step 2, create a Facebook event. Step 3, mail your hostess. So we not only have the scripts and templates for doing the actual class, but we have the how-to attached to it, okay? So before the event, like literally it gives me exactly what to share, the day of the event, live event posts. Now, if you want to customize this for you, one thing you can do is make a copy of it. So you can go here and select the keys, make a copy of that skincare class, okay, copy. And then on the board, you can actually create your own board. So you could have a personal board, okay, where you have an online party and you put in that skincare class and you add your own photos. So you can change it or tweak it or whatever. Ignore all this craziness here. I don't know why I have so many things in there. Anyways, I've shared those from other people's things. Okay, let me go back to Work the Biz. Online classes, virtual skincare consultants. Again, hey, do you have dry, oily skin? If you have dry skin, this is what you do. So just step-by-step verbiage. Mentoring your new presenter. This is getting put together. Hopefully by the time you listen to this, I'll have it done. But how to explain compensation for your new presenter. Images that you can send your new presenter to help them with getting started and feeling confident in the company. That's something I'm working on. Klarna is something that you can use for people to pay in payments for the business kit. Business opportunity, again, posts, attraction marketing posts, things for stories, verbiage to say, all good stuff. Love it guarantee. Okay, that's the same thing as the other thing. It's just another one. Sales ideas. So these are going to be different sales ideas that you can do to boost beyond your affiliates and parties and system that you're doing. Things you can do that are just kind of fun to add in extra sales during the month. Social selling system. Okay, this is how to do social selling system. I'll be adding more things to there. But basically, if you want to do lives, there's a really successful way to do lives on Facebook to build a business that way. Additional training and support. So this will be just more stuff that you can watch and listen to. How to do your taxes coming soon. And then our Telegram stories channel. This is awesome, you guys. Copy and paste it into Safari and you'll be able to subscribe to our Telegram channel. And we've got a few channels, not to overwhelm you, but these are really awesome. So basically you'll get stories and ideas each day. Some of these I'll be adding to the boards, but a lot of them are videos, and right now we can't really add videos to the boards. But look at this, like a kit video. I've actually done a test for this. So this is another leader who's done this, amazing, and shared it, amazing. And all I have to do is hold it down, okay? Select, all right? I'm gonna click this little arrow, and I'm gonna save the video. Okay, now this actually goes perfect with what I just posted on my wall earlier. Like every day you guys could share the kit video. Every day. I mean, why not? Different people are going to see it. So I can add to my story. Okay, and I can do fun sticker, whatever you want to do, right? And I can share that to my stories. And I didn't have to create it.